Hello kids, welcome back with your new chapter of EVS, that is chapter number 6, Clean, Fit and Healthy. Okay kids, now tell me, what do you eat when you feel hungry? Yes, you eat food. And what do you drink when you feel thirsty? Yes, you drink water. Students, as you know, food gives us energy. It helps us to make our body strong. So, let us now discuss something related to our health. What do you do when you feel hungry? You eat food. Yes, when we feel hungry, we eat food. We need food to keep healthy. Students, all of us need food to become healthy. If we eat food properly, then only we will become healthy. Food helps us to grow. By eating food only, we can grow. Otherwise, we will be short-heighted only. If we will not eat food properly, our height remains short only. We also need water. Water is very important for us. We should drink 8 glasses of water in a day. Now look here in this picture. The boy is having healthy food. He is drinking water also. So this is a proper meal for growth and healthy body. Now look here, what do you see in this picture? A boy is sleeping. Yes. Now tell me, when you feel tired, what do you do? Yes, we sleep or we take rest. Now let's read it. What do you do when you feel tired? You rest or you sleep. If we do not get enough rest, we can fall sick. Yes, bache, if you will not take proper rest, you will become sick. Rest is very important for our body. Our body is like a machine. If we will continuously work for whole day and we will not take rest, we can become sick. So it is very important for us to take rest every time. We should sleep for at least 8 hours every day. We should sleep for 8 hours, not less than that. We should go to bed early. We should also get up early. At night, we should sleep early, and in the morning, we should wake up early. As we have heard one poem from starting that early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. See in this picture also, the boy is sleeping early at night and he is waking so fresh in the morning. The same way you will also wake up in a fresh way. Okay, if you will sleep early at night. Let us read a picture story. I wake up in the morning. It is a new day. A boy is saying, I wake up in the morning and it is a new day. The sun is shining through my window. Yes, the sun is shining through his window. The sun rays are coming through window. I wash my face with water. Yes, when you wake up in the morning, you people also wash your face, na? It's the same way boy is also washing his face. I wipe it dry with a towel. The boy wipes his face with a towel. I brush my teeth. He also brushes his teeth. I have a bath. I use soap to clean my body. We all use soap and body wash na, to clean our body every day. I dry myself and put on clean clothes. Yes, after taking bath, we always wear clean clothes. We always wear clean clothes. I comb my hair. I put my books in my school bag. I eat my breakfast and drink milk. I always put my books in the school bag. I eat my breakfast and drink milk. Then I go to school. After drinking milk, I go to school. Good food and enough rest makes our body strong. If we will eat good food, our body will become strong. Exercise too helps us become strong and healthy. If we will do exercise on regular basis, our body will become strong and we will become healthy. Walking, running and swimming are good exercises. See, in this picture, boy is walking, girl is running and another boy is swimming. These exercises are very good for your health. If you will do them properly every day, your body will be healthy always. Playing is also a good exercise. Look here in this picture, the girls and boys are playing. The boy here is playing with football. The girls are skipping the rope. One girl is running. Yes, playing is also very good exercise. It's make your mind fresh. We should play in a safe place like a park. We should always play in a safe place like park, because if you will play on the road, if you can fall there, you will be hurted, and if you will play in the park, there will be no problem at all. Be healthy, be happy. Yes, you should always be healthy and you should always be happy. Thank you. Bye-bye.